Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I would like to share with you my upcoming online class for February 2022. In this class, we will be creating 6 fun shaker cards with the Rainbow of Happiness bundle, which includes the Rainbow of Happiness stamp set and the Brilliant Rainbow coordinating dies. Both of these items can be found in the new January through June mini catalog or online. I hope you decide to join me. It will be a great class. To sign up for this class, please go to my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the link is below in the description. I am excited to share these cards with you today, so let's check them out now. There are 2 different shaker card techniques we will be exploring during this class. One creates a thicker card and uses foam adhesive strips and window sheets, while the other uses plastic to create the pocket for the shaker elements. Each of these cards uses the techniques to create unique and visually interesting cards, giving you new ideas on how to create shaker cards. The soft yet still bright cards are perfect for this time of year and will give you that extra incentive to spread some happiness. This class will run from Monday, February 21st through Saturday, February 26th. We will meet each day during the week to create one of the 6 cards. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for the sessions during the week, or can watch the replay videos at their leisure. The class fee is $30. You can register through my blog, creativechelsea.com. The direct link is in the description box below. Registration for this class closes on Saturday, February 5th. Sign up as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial only option. This kit will include pre-cut cardstock with die cuts and envelopes, a new assortment of sparkle and shine sequins, as well as a new roll of pool party sheer ribbon, 12 6x6 sheets of Sunshine and Rainbows Designer Series paper. Please note that I reserve the right to switch products based on availability. Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the design. All of my online classes are done through a private Facebook group. In this group, we will have 6 Facebook Live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time each day during the week of February 21st. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the card and show you the techniques needed. If you are able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will stay in the group so you can watch the replay at any time. I will also be posting written PDF instructions for each card in the group. If you are not on Facebook, you can still participate through email. After each session, I will send you a link to watch the replay along with a written PDF with step-by-step instructions. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store and use the host code provided on my blog. You will want to have the Rainbow of Happiness bundle, which includes the stamp set and coordinating dies. You will want to have the Pale Papaya, Pool Party, Soft Sea Foam, and Flirty Flamingo ink pads, as well as the Memento Black ink pad. You will also need some tools to make these cards. They include the paper trimmer, stamp and cut and emboss machine, ribbon scissors, paper snips, bone folder, take a pick tool, clear blocks A, C, D, and E, and stamp cleaner. You will also want a variety of adhesives, including the mini dimensionals, foam adhesive strips, stamp and seal, tear and tape, and liquid adhesive. I am so excited for this class and hope you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a creative day. Bye!